Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu in interpretation of the Quranic verse, وَلَا تَجْهَرُوا بِصَلَوَاتِكَ وَلَا تُخَافِتُوا بِهَا. Translation: and neither offer your prayer with loud voice nor with low voice. Surah Asra, verse 110 says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would lead the companions in the prayer secretly in Makkah Mukarramah, reciting the Quran aloud. When the polytheists heard the Quran, they would revile the Quran and revealer of the Quran, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and the one who brought it, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, whereupon said to his Prophet, do not recite the Quran so loud, lest the polytheists should hear it, and do not recite so low that even your companions radiyallahu anhum cannot hear it. Recite the Quran in a medium tone that is in between the loud and low voice. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 1000.